Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm here to show you how to view your hidden games in Steam. This is for anyone who might have accidentally hit the hide this game button for any one of their games that they have installed or maybe uninstalled. It's as simple as this. Go ahead and open up the Steam Games application. Go to where it says View in the upper left hand corner, and you're going to click on Hidden Games. Once you click on that, it's going to open up a tab just for your hidden games. As you can see, for the purpose of the video, I hit this game, Age of Empires. Now, what you're going to do to unhide the game so that you can have it in your library and have it easily accessible is right-click the game, go to where it says Manage, and click on Remove from Hidden. Once you've done so, it should disappear from your hidden library and the number count should decrease. And then you can go ahead and click on Show All Collections, and then you can see that the game is back in my library. But it's as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel.